How to reset your network settings on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. First, click the Start button. In the search bar, type CMD. Once the command prompt window opens, type NSH int IP reset. Then press Enter. This command resets your computer's TCP IP settings to their default configuration. Next, type ipconfig/release. Then press Enter. This releases your computer's current IP address from the network. After that, type ipconfig/renew. Then press Enter again. This requests a new IP address from your router or network and reconnects your computer to the internet. Once the process is complete, you'll see updated network information, including your IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. And that's it. You've successfully reset your network settings on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Windows tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.